Our training today is focused on kids' nutrition. Empowering our local chefs and working closely with them really will help them create and design dishes that are not only appealing and tasty, but are also nutritious and healthy, offering kids all the nutrients they require for their optimum health and growth. The beauty of it is that it consists of a theoretical part and a practical part. We take the chefs through the basics of nutrition. We also tackle very interesting topics and important topics that are very much relevant to kids' nutrition. And each group of chefs create and design their own unique dish.
We're here today with Nestlé Professional to provide an accredited course for chefs. We're happy to provide the accreditation, and we see an added value in that training. We are fully supportive of what Nestlé Professional are doing, because this is really important to all the out-of-home food industry, and this is going to be a major player in providing nutritive and healthy food for the population.
We took them to the full day of training, theory and practice about nutrition, how the trend of doing a plate, what is the alternative coming from meat to plant-based. We divide all the chef invitees to 6 teams. They are creating a plate where they can achieve what they learn. The judging should be based on the percentage of the plate, protein, starch and vegetable, plus taste and presentation, of course.
It's been really fun. It's been really interactive, learning a lot, especially from the culinary aspect. We don't always have all the knowledge about health and dietetics. So a lot of the things that was talked about really did open up a really good base, for us to learn as chefs more about what really goes into health and to dietetics.